The most important part of any board slide is getting onto the rail. This is where most problems start and where most of the problems are fixed. So, when you get on the rail, you need to have pressure on both of your feet on the board. It's very common to jump off and just put pressure on your front foot, but that is not a good way to go about it. If that's the position you're in and you can't commit to getting your back foot putting pressure on the tail, just practice it on a ledge. So you can have both of your feet on the board slide. I'd rather you have that than just throw your board at a rail. Piece number 2 is how high you're ollie. I am a huge proponent of ollieing high and landing down on the rail. I think that is easier to balance during your board slide if you go about it like that, versus going more at the rail and not ollieing very much and smacking the rail and then letting that energy stand you up. That technique makes you more likely to slip out backwards, which is everyone's fear, and it's also the thing that happens the most. So just for a basic board slide, let's go along the rail, ollie high, and have strong pressure on both feet. If you're starting there, you have a great chance. So that's how you get on the rail to start your slide effectively. But now let's talk about how to make adjustments while you're sliding. All of your adjustments during the slide are gonna come from your chest, your hips, and your feet. Let's talk about the adjustments you can make with your feet first. If your board is out in front of you, that means your feet are out in front of you. You're probably gonna slip backwards. Wah! You're gonna end up sitting on the rail, which is not fun. I've done it way too many times. You can actually look up Little Tricky Gets Owned to see me not do a good job on a rail. That's pretty funny. Feet in front, or you can have your feet behind you, which means your board is sitting behind you. That's gonna make it so you fall forward, okay? Everybody who skates loves to think about changing their balance by throwing their upper body back and forth. Doesn't work like that. Your body position relative to your skateboard is gonna change your balance a lot more than just moving around your hips. Adjustment number 2, hips. Your hips and chest work together to do one thing at a time, actually. It's really hard to move your chest independently from your hips. Check this out. If I point my chest down at the ground, hips shoot back. Okay, yes, it's possible just to lean forward, but it doesn't make any sense. Chest down, hips go back. This makes this a great position to balance in. The opposite is terrible. Hips forward, chest back. This locks your feet to your board, locks your feet to the rail. You get stuck, it start falling back, and then board shoots out. When you are having bent knees, your board a little bit out in front of you, chest down, you can actually adjust your feet and push through the rail or hold on to your board and hold the board closer to you to stop you from slipping out. So that's the adjustments you're gonna make. All right, so we go up to the rail, we pop high, land on it, keep your chest forward, hold your board in a good spot with your feet, and you're doing board slides. The exit is pretty cool. There's 2 pieces, getting off of the rail and getting onto the ground. So, to get off of the rail, you're actually gonna do a small jump. Just a little one to release some of your pressure off your board to make it easy to float. Not only does that stop your board from flipping over and doing all sorts of weird stuff, it actually gives you more time to rotate to face the direction you want to go. To aim your wheels forward, we're just gonna take note of where our shoulders are during the board slide. If my shoulders are leaking around the corner, I'm gonna push my left foot forward to come out fakie. If I hold my shoulders more square or a little bit to the left, then I can put my right foot forward. I want you to think about that like a lunge, not so much like a rotation. So what I mean is, you're on the board slide. I'm gonna come out forward, so I'm gonna pitch my upper body to the left, and then I'm just gonna step my right foot forward, not around, forward. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please comment down below a quick and easy tutorial that you would like to see, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Here, we're highlighting one of our subscribers right on the page. I'm really sorry whoever's editing this video has to pick a random subscriber and just put their name on the screen now.